Hi there, my name's Alyssa, and in this apartment series video for Hacks on a Budget, I'll be giving you little organizing hacks for around the kitchen that will make the most out of your space and that will help minimize clutter. All products used in this video were found at the dollar store, so not only are they helpful for your space, they're great on your wallet too. The first organizing hack I'll show you today is a super easy, super cheap way to organize your sandwich bags, tinfoil, parchment paper, and etc. If you're like me, you've spent years throwing these boxes in a drawer only to have trouble opening that drawer later on because one of the boxes opened and got stuck. So for this hack, you're going to need two materials, a folder stand and some mounting tape. Simply cut some of the mounting tape and stick it to the back of the stand. Then adhere the stand to the inside of a kitchen cabinet door. And voila! This doesn't only make it a simpler, tidier way to store these products, it also frees up a drawer in the kitchen, which we never seem to have enough of. The second hack that I have for you today is going to save you some space under the kitchen sink. A lot of kitchen sinks don't have that extra shelf for storage under there, so what you can do is come at it from the top. By installing a rod, you can hang all cleaning products from it by their handles. Just extend the rod at the desired height and lock it into place. You can also drape your claws and rubber gloves over the bar as well, whatever makes the most sense for your space. With only one material, it's a really easy way to use more of your space under the sink. Lastly, another area of the kitchen that seems to get out of control quickly is those pesky pot lids. You can store the pots in each other, but then what do you do with the lids? It becomes a balancing act and then becomes a mountain of disorganization. A cheap and easy way to fix this problem is to store the lids in a drying dish rack. This way, they stay tidy and organized, and you won't have to dig under 5 other tumbling lids to find the size you need. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Apartment Series. If you have any tips or tricks you love that are inexpensive and make your life easier, please share in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this page. We'll be back next week with an all-new episode for Hacks on a Budget.